What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm also going to try something new. In previous video, I took my top cover off and later I realized the back of my truck got scratched a little bit because I was doing that. And also because this is an overlanding vehicle, I've taken it to some off-road trips. So the body of the car also got some scratches on it. And most of the scratches are pretty shallow. They only got probably into the clear coat, but there are some in the back because of me removing the hot cover that I'm not sure. It looks like it got pretty deep. So since I'm doing this for the first time, I am monitoring which scratch remover product is the best. So I got 3 different brands that has really good reviews online. And I also watched some YouTubes and read some blogs that says WD-40 can be a good thing to remove scratch. And some also mention that toothpaste can be a good product to remove scratch. Well, I'm not sure I believe on this 2 product or not. WD-40, maybe, but toothpaste? Really? I want to figure out though. So that's what we're gonna test today. 3 professional, good review scratch remover products, plus WD-40 and toothpaste. Let's jump right in. First, we're gonna try the 3 professional products on some very light scratch. To begin with, I clean my car with soapy water to remove all the dirt, just to avoid creating more scratch during the process. We can see after soapy water, the scratch doesn't disappear. The first product we're gonna use is from Meguiars. It's called ScratchX. After about 1 minute, the scratch got much lighter, but you can still see a very light mark left on the car. Now let's try a different mark. This time I put 2 tape around it so you can locate the mark easily. The product we're going to use on this one is Scratch Out from Formula 1. The scratch is much lighter but still visible. If we compare this two, the Meguiars one did a better job. I can hardly see it even under the light. The one from Formula 1, it's still pretty obvious. Then we move on to a different scratch. For this one, we're gonna use turtle wax. The scratch seems to disappear from one angle, but looking from the other angle, it's still there. Okay, now we move on to the deeper scratch on the back of my car. I also tape them so they're easier to locate and compare with each other. First, we try the bottom right one with ScratchX. This works much better than expected. It totally removed the white part. Now we move to the other side and try it with Scratch Out from Formula 1. This is not bad at all. The white part came out completely. You can compare the white part covered by the tape before and after. And then we move to the top part and try it with the turtle wax. This one, it's much harder to remove. It took me a little more time. It may not be obvious in the camera, but there are still a little marker left behind. I shine a light on it. The Meguiars one left the least mark. The Scratch Out one removed the white perfectly, but still left a little bit mark. And the turtle wax one, you can still see it pretty obviously. Now, let's try a different scratch with WD-40. Wow, when you first spray on it, it disappeared immediately. actually, after leave it for a little while, it kind of came back. Finally, let's test how the toothpaste works. It works surprisingly well and doesn't leave any mark behind. Okay, now I've done the test with all the products that I want to try. Just as a recap, the product we used today is the Meguiars ScratchX Formula 1 Scratch Out. Also Turtle Wax. The Turtle Wax product came with a scratch repair kit, spray, scratch repair pen, also some sandpapers. But just to be fair, I only used this compound product to compare with all the others. Besides the three, we also tried WD-40 and Toothpaste. So with this three professional scratch remove product, I definitely like the Meguiars ScratchX the best, but this is also the most expensive one. It's around $20, while the Formula 1 is only $6. Actually, with $6, I'm pretty happy with how the Formula 1 performs. These two both works pretty well on the light scratch that I tried first. About the Turtle Wax, I don't think it works that well. It can still remove it, but you can see it pretty clear after it's done. While I applied these three to the deeper mark, I actually don't know if that's a paint transfer or it's like a deeper scratch. With that one, all the three products can work, but they all leaves a little bit mark behind. The Meguiar one still works the best and leaves the less mark. The Formula 1 actually surprised me when I apply it. However, there is one thing that I don't like about the Formula 1, that it's the smell of it. The other two doesn't have a really obvious smell, but the Formula 1 have a really weird chemical feeling scent that kind of make me a little uncomfortable when I used it for a long time. Even if this one did a pretty good job removing the mark, I probably won't purchase it again just because of the smell. The other two products, the WD-40, when I first spray it on the mark, the scratch actually disappeared immediately, which totally shocked me. But unfortunately, I think it just make it disappear for a little while and it came back pretty quick. On the other hand, the toothpaste is a real surprise. I don't know how it works. It removed the mark perfectly and didn't leave anything behind. But I don't know if the chemical inside will damage the paint or anything. I probably would still prefer a professional product on my car, but this can work if you're really in a rush and don't have other products. Okay, now I'm gonna finish removing other scratch on my car with this product, which I like the most. Well, thank you for watching. That's everything for today's video. If you like it, please give me a big thumb up. And remember to subscribe my channel. If you ever tried a scratch remover product, which product do you like the most? And if you have any suggestion for me on how to remove the scratch, please leave the comment below. I'll see you in the next video.